We started our day at 4:30 in the morning by walking to Tsukiji market and trying to catch the tuna auction. Everyone was setting up for the busiest day of the year. We wandered around the market trying not to get hit by these carts and looking for the tuna auction. The breakdown of fish was happening everywhere in the market. After wandering the market in the cold for 1 hour, we realized some unfortunate news that there's no tourists allowed in the tuna auction this month. So we headed to the outer market to get some food. So I got a dumpling to cheer me up.
It's like a meat mandu or a meat dumpling with no outer dough. This one had a lot of like ginger flavor. It's really good.
For the next dish, I did some research about the market and I wanted to try something a little bit more adventurous. So I found this place that served beef intestines over rice. It looked pretty spicy and delicious. There was a line, and you probably had to wait about a half an hour. But when it was my turn, I ordered 2 bowls. One with the meat over rice with an egg, and 1 bowl with cow intestines over rice.
This one right here is the beef intestines over rice. And this one is the meat. Super filling, super heavy. Wow. So we decided to come inside to a nice restaurant and warm up. We're at a place called Sushiko now. We got a nice big bowl of rice with tuna sashimi. So we're gonna eat that, warm up, and then maybe go to another place. So fresh. So good.
Then we found the most amazing dessert in Tokyo.
So we got 3 strawberry mochis right here. We got strawberry with black bean, strawberry with strawberry yogurt, and then we got a more expensive white strawberry with custard. I'm excited for this one. I'm gonna try this. Wow. So good. I'm gonna finish this right now. It's so good. Alright, give me a minute. Alright, I finished that white strawberry with custard one. That was awesome. I think it was the best one. But we're gonna try this yogurt one. Wow. That was good, but the white strawberry custard one, that was the best. I'm gonna share the rest of this one with the camera girl.
Tsukiji Market was like a food paradise. There was so much to see and eat. The big crowds didn't even bother me at all. If you've been to Tsukiji Market before, why don't you comment below and tell me what your favorite food is there at the market. And if you like this video, why don't you give that thumbs up a click. And please subscribe if you want to see more food videos about Tokyo and other travel related videos. Thanks for watching.